This is what he decides to do when he thinks he's in trouble. He hides in his kennel because he thinks he's a bad dog. And he runs in there. Come on, say something for the people. Come on. He thinks he's a big bad dog. Oh, there goes Shadow. Shadow's tired of hearing the noise. This is what I get to deal with on a daily basis. And rambunctious little pup who's not that little anymore. He thinks he's tough, but he isn't. He's just a big pushover. Come and say hi. Come and say hi. Come here. Come on. Come out to say hi. Come here. So now he comes to fight with the cat. I don't think he likes being a film star. No, I don't think he likes it at all. No. He really doesn't like being a film star. And this is my little dog, Arrow. Oh, Arrow Cara. Okay, stop it. Alright, bye guys.